Hey. We back. We've got Wayne, Tiger,
Directed to Tiger.
and YG. This has to be a very good song.
YG is okay. I was gonna say he's misplaced, like he's awkward, but they already made that stripper song.
Yeah, no, but
Yeah,
I'm talking
Tiger.
just getting Tiger and Wayne on a track again. It should be exciting. They have pretty good songs from the past. So let's see.
And Saweetie.
Oh, they dating. Yeah, he's
Who and
dating
who?
YG and
Oh,
her.
okay.
She's probably appearing in the video.
I want some new nails, new bundles, new boobs. You know, everything brand new, bitch. You know what the fuck this
Then it
is.
pops.
Why spend my money when I can spend your money?
Way too cocky in the cool feeling. Always in the press, why this bitch acting? Got to spend 150 on the president.
Oh, I can't remember what song is that from? That had lived that brand new? It's an older song, man. I think it's like a Missy Elliott song or something like that. But like
Yeah.
an early 2000 song, if I'm not mistaken.
Your money.
Way too cocky in the cool feeling. Always in the press, why this bitch acting? Got to spend 150 on the president. Nigga, don't touch, yeah, smell like money and we smoking on. Honey in the pack, keep the beeswax. Hermes bag, got my bitch acting. AP bust up. Lot of niggas had a chance, they was unlucky. Yeah. When it's so long, we don't even discuss. Say you got hoes pulling up, I don't trust. Burn through the money, diamonds dance like Usher. You ain't gotta like it, but my bitch gon' love it. All about cake, got a meal in the oven. Birdman hands, all this paper I'm rubbing. Bitch cry for me like brand new onions. Way too cocky in the cool feeling. Always in the press, why
Hey, the lines.
It's really good, eh?
Tiger is spitting. Yes,
That's
yes.
why I'll say this. Tiger will never fall off. He'll disappear, but he'll come back.
Yeah, he's
He'll
spitting.
come back.
He is spitting.
burn through the money, diamonds dance like Usher. You ain't gotta like it, but my bitch gon' love it. All about cake, got a meal in the oven. Birdman hands, all this paper I'm rubbing. Bitch cry for me like brand new onions. Way too cocky in the cool feeling. Always in the press, why this bitch acting? Got to spend 150 on the president. Nigga, don't touch, yeah, smell like money and we smoking on. Honey in the pack, keep the beeswax. Hermes bag, got my bitch acting. AP,
Brand new AP in HD. These diamonds be talking in they sleep. You know not to test me like SAT. They pay me like Riri, ASAP. Hotter than AZ, coolers than A.
Hey, they pay me like really
ASAP.
ASAP.
But what do you mean not to test me SAT? I mean, that's what it's for.
AP in HD. These diamonds be talking in they sleep. You know not to test me like SAT. They pay me like Riri, ASAP. Hotter than AZ, coolers than AC. And my diamonds gon' sing like Do Re Mi. And my diamonds gon' dance like my bro CB. And I pop 2X, that's Dose Key. Yeah, brand new money, brand new hundreds. Got a bunch of zeros like a bag of new Funyuns. Brand new phone with a brand new number on some brand new shit. Need a brand new plumber. I'ma be her brand new black cucumber. Love brand new. Fat pockets looking like love handles. Brand new hoes come and snort this Michael.
I will say this about Wayne. Wayne is not the
Oh my
best
god.
like writer,
Yeah.
but he has the best similes and puns.
Thing is,
No one can rival him when it comes to similes and puns.
once he finds a flow, like once he finds like a scheme that works,
Yeah.
he's
He
gone-
goes.
Yeah,
He has a great wit. He has great wit.
he's very witty. Yeah,
Very, very witty.
and now I'm sitting here wondering why the fuck is YG in this song and why he's
We
lost.
lost. That's
Why
what I'm
he's
thinking. Like
lost?
shit. But maybe he'll bring it. Let's see.
He brought his girl.
Brand new fat pockets looking like love handles. Brand new hoes come and snort this Michael Jackson. Get a brand new nose. Yeah.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
Way too cocky in the cool feeling.
Look at this grid.
He's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
Way too.
Dog. I'll probably say this. Hip hop's ever greatest run was probably Wayne.
Greatest run. Nah.
I get that Drake has had a longer run with more hits and more number ones.
No, yeah.
But if you look at Wayne as a full package, come on, dog. Wayne has the look. He has the sound.
Nah, give it to Eminem.
No, not like Wayne.
Best run. Thing is, Lil Wayne, what makes him a bit more like... What makes him a bit more appealing to put as the guy with the run is because he had more features.
But that's
He had more features. But Eminem, like, if you can check out Eminem's like career span and like from 1998, 1999 to 2002, that was big.
yeah.
And then he kept on doing what he did with even 50 Cent.
Yeah.
Still,
But my point is, as soon as other big artists came about, it was like,
yeah, but
it was kind of like,
yeah, but the biggest artists came from under him.
No, but I'm saying that's a point. But to the point that I'm making is, it doesn't really shift what I'm saying, because 50 was the guy, and then Wayne came after 50 and became the guy. Like M was never the guy. After 50 came, M was never the guy.
Nah, he was.
After 50,
He was.
no. Dog,
Dude,
think about this. In the club.
Recovery,
No, yes.
Recovery,
Yes, but look at this. Look at this.
Marshall Mathers
No,
LP2.
look
Come
at,
on,
look
bro.
at this. Look at
Come
this.
on, bro.
50 came through. Get Rich or Die Trying.
Yes,
He was the guy.
he was the guy.
Massacre dropped. He was still the guy. He
was
had
still
candy
the
shops
guy.
and stuff.
Yeah.
Then there was like Game and stuff, but he was never like peaked
Yeah.
as the guy. And then 50 dropped was Money Kid.
Yeah.
It was 2007. Curtis dropped. It was insane. And then Kanye came. Now Kanye was the guy, because that's when Graduation dropped.
Yeah.
And then after Kanye, it was like Wayne. That's when Carter 3 dropped. You know, it was kind of toast for Eminem at that point.
Not really.
No, he had like...
Dude, Recovery sold more than
Yeah,
the Carter 3.
I know, but I'm not talking in terms of sales.
Yeah,
but I'm saying
Yeah,
like...
but I'm talking about a run. Like you can't. Lil Wayne has not been. Look at Lil Wayne's career from 2014
Yeah.
to maybe 2020.
Yeah.
Even the Carter 5. The Carter 5 came and went.
Yeah.
It came and went
yeah,
quickly.
It
It came and went quickly.
It doesn't even have like a lead singer.
That's what
or
I'm
whatever.
saying. That's what I'm saying is that Lil Wayne, you can. I'll give him the best 4 years. He has the best 4 years.
So 2008,
Nine.
no, 7, 8, 9.
No, I have to give him 8. I have
8,
to give him
9,
8.
10, 11,
Yeah, and
12.
maybe 12.
That's when
Thing is,
Carter 4 dropped.
There's also Rebirth.
But that's
came
all.
out.
But the point I'm making is like Wayne was like, he shifted the eyes, and everybody else on the side did not matter.
He's by far the most influential rapper, but
Yes.
I wouldn't say because Eminem's lows are very low,
Exactly, and it
his
does not
highs
have.
are very high.
And he has very few like featured moments that were big.
Yeah.
Like, I can only think of Forever, and then now I have to think hard.
Hey, Forever he ate though.
But that's my
Forever he
point.
ate.
But then if you go Wayne,
Not
it's
really.
like,
Not really. Not really. That track with him, not Monster. The track with him and Rihanna. That era.
No, I'm
that
talking
era of
feature. Yes,
Eminem.
that's true. But I'm talking like Wayne scores more on a larger criteria.
Yeah, but
Influence, look, likeness. People want to be like you. People want to look like you. You know, like he has more points. Then
okay.
Eminem is obviously like the milestone of like sales and reach. But yeah, anyway, there's a lot of talk.
Brand new hoes come and snort this Michael Jackson, get a brand new nose. Yeah.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
Way too cocky in the cool feeling. Always in the press while this bitch acting. Spend 150 on the president. Nigga don't touch. Smell like money and we smoking on. Honey in the pack, keep the beeswax. Hermes bag, got my bitch acting. AP
Brand new block 9, cause niggas give me eye vibes. Y'all niggas circle out of shape, y'all like a stop sign. Nigga, not even a stop sign, gon' stop mine. Stop playing before I cock the Glock and leave you cockeyed. Gifted all my hoes, I'm in the sharing. Brought the bitch to watch, she don't even wear it. Feeling like Buzz Bunny, nigga, all these carrots. Kick a white bitch out, acting like a Karen.
way too cocky in the cool feeling.
Lukewarm, but he did well for himself.
No. After that stop scheme,
Yeah.
it sucked. He does not know how to transition between flows.
Flows, yeah.
He does
yeah.
not. After that stop, like sequence, like that
What
stop.
I'm saying is it could have been worse. That's what I'm saying. It could have been worse.
They made him last. That's what made it worse.
But that's what fucked up. Why did he go last though?
And why is he in
Why
the
would you-
song? His verse is less than 30 seconds long.
The point that I'm making is, why the fuck do you want to go after Wayne? You can't go after Wayne.
Okay. After the stop sequence, listen to what happens.
Block 9, cause niggas give me eye vibes. Y'all niggas circle out of shape, y'all like a stop sign. Nigga, not even a stop sign, gon' stop mine. Stop playing before I cock the Glock and leave you cockeyed. Gifted all my hoes, I'm in the
Yeah, it was true. Yeah, it died. It's that, what do they call the thing? The checks like the heart rates where you're in hospital.
Yeah, the
I forgot his name. So like, then from there, like, flatline. He just flatlined from there on.
like they she should have just said the hook.
Yeah.
Sharon, brought the bitch to watch, she don't even wear it. Feeling like Buzz Bunny, nigga, all these carrots. Kick a white bitch out, acting like a Karen.
Way too cocky in the cool feeling. Always in the press, why this bitch acting? Got to spend 150 on the president. Nigga, don't touch. Yeah, smell like money and we smoking on. Honey in the pack, keep the beeswax. Hermes bag, got my bitch acting. AP,
Brand new money, brand new hundreds. Brand new hundreds, brand new money, brand new hundreds.
This track was kind of good.
This track is good.
It was good. I think him and
nice and
YG are gonna
It's
have
nice and short.
a thing. Tiger and YG. Maybe
Double penetration.
wow.
It's so witty.
Maybe I think the collab album or something.
Yeah.
I think it's in the works. Cause I will give it to Tiger. Tiger will collab with people, and the chemistry that he brings with different artists, he makes sure that it's there. Like when he was with Chris Brown, the chemistry was there.
Yeah.
Him with YG on the previous song, what's it called, Party Time? It was
Yeah.
there. So yeah,
Him and Offset.
true. That's what I'm saying. Like Tiger is you can't rate him like as a great rapper, but he's very good at making songs. His song ability is very good.
Okay, guys. Please like, subscribe. We took so much of your time. Please like, subscribe,
And suggest videos.
Suggest videos in the comment section. We'll give you a shout out. Thank you so much for tuning in and sticking with us for this long. Love you.